Many grasslands and even desert ecosystems are often regarded as desolate because of the sparse vegetation and the spacing between it all, like this blue bunch wheatgrass here and this giant sagebrush. But even though it looks like there's all this unused empty space, life has found a way to persevere. See, down on the ground in the space in between all these shrubs and grasses, the ground is covered with a medley of different mosses, liverworts, and lichen here that form a thin crust known as a cryptogamic crust over the soil, which protects it and stabilizes it while also retaining the vital moisture present to allow the deep roots of these nearby plants to survive. It also helps to fertilize everything growing here, as certain lichen species host certain bacteria species which synthesize atmospheric nitrogen and turn it into a usable compound for plants to uptake to create chlorophyll, which is pretty wild. Additionally, this cryptogamic crust forms a layer of protection that prevents seeds from invasive species from being able to germinate and take root in, but unfortunately, this crust is incredibly fragile and is broken very easily by boots, tires, horses, or other unnatural man-made disturbances, and they can take centuries to reestablish. In the meantime, that upturned soil becomes prime habitat for invasive species like knapweed, cheatgrass, or burdock to seed and take root, and gradually outcompeting the native species that call this place home. So not only is it important to remove invasive species to help keep the biological and ecological function of these grasslands healthy, but we can help reduce their spread by staying on trails and reducing development and urban sprawl, so these species and the unique role they play in these ecosystems can thrive for centuries to come.